Hello friends, today I am Tanishi with you all. Today I have an interesting book, Sudha Murthy's Grandparents' Bag of Story. It is written by Sudha Murthy. It is illustrated by Penguin Publishers and it is illustrated by Priya Kurian. The cost of the book is rupees 250 and there are 228 pages and there are 19 chapters. There is also a phrase written by Sudha Murthy, a story a day keeps all troubles away. A very good phrase. That I love this book very much. There are also good illustration done by Priya Kurian. There is also a sign of Sudha Murthy. So let's start with stories. I will tell you about some stories. The mystery of the magic pot. That there was a magic pot. A couple lived around a jungle. One day one king was passing by and he heard the conversation among the two both. He listened that they were saying that how good king live. I wish I would be like them. I eat good things, wear good clothes and warm clothes and have a good place to stay. The king thought to teach them a lesson where the everyone is good at them place. So the king took the both couple and said, I will give you good place and good things. So they came with the king and the king welcomed him and gave a good shelter to them, but said, there is a pot, do not open it. Some months after, the wife thought what would be inside it and argued with his husband. Then his husband has to also said okay, say okay. So they opened it. There was smoke all around the room and they screamed. The king said, I told you not to do not open this box and you opened it pot. So this is the story. And there is another story also. There is also another story, a mouse who was a mouse. One day one sadhuji, means a saint, was doing meditation. Then a mouse came running. There is a cat approaching me, please help me. Then the saint make him a cat, but then the mouse said, I want to be the dog, then lion, then snake, then lizard, then mouse. And then one day the sadhu was tired and said, I will make you man. Go and do anything you want. That there are also many stories there is also many story, a word of honor. That in that one story you will get to know about a girl. In earlier times there was not said to be like there would be only a son. We do not want girls to be born. So there was a girl. She was born like a girl, but his mother transformed into a boy and named her Veeravara. So then she was good in everything. And then she also was good in studies and also everything. But then one princess fall in love with Veeravara and gave marriage proposal, but she told that she is a girl. And then the king was also very frustrated. She told that it is the fault of my father because he has told to be only a girl to my mother. Do not it should not be like a girl in the house. So that's why, but do not tease him or kill him because he is also my father. So the king was impressed and adopted Veeravara, and her name was Virangana. And it is also interesting story that there was a man who was passing by and didn't give an apple to an old man, and he took all the apples by magic and ate all the apples and gave everyone an apple. There are many interesting stories like this, like the blind beggars, the brother who the friend who didn't care about his friend and said no to and no to the his friend to help, and then he was died. Thank you friends for listening.